My name is Antonio Gonzalez. During the past few years, I was working as a software engineer. I have worked in the industry, at the academia, different universities. Previously, I worked mostly in computer networks and configuring infrastructures and network security. In the past few years, I was working as a software engineer. I from Costa Rica. I hold a master's in computer science, also a master's in intelligent systems. I also hold a PhD in computer science. I have published around 60 papers in different venues, conferences and journals. So I was needing to update my knowledge to the current trends and to the new methods and techniques. Yes, one of the reasons to choose the program was the association with Microsoft, but also the content of the program and the price of the program. Overall, the contents of the program is current, and also during the period of my learning, the professor was very professional and knowledgeable. I was searching on the internet and I compared many different programs, and finally I decided to take this one. The duration of the program, it was good. So I think that overall the program, it was good in all aspects. The duration of the program, the price of the program, the content of the program, and the knowledge of the instructors that taught the program was very high. They explained very well, and they knew about what they were teaching about. So now companies are not only looking for software engineers in the pure sense, but they are looking software engineers with AI and machine learning knowledge. So I think that I will be able to apply in almost every job I can find. If we stop learning, we lost the habit, and we also get behind.